In this last lesson, we're going to be finishing the dimensions, but we're actually going to change the size of the text in more of a meta as a group. So what we'll do is, you notice that we have the part lines larger, but these dimensions are actually larger in size. These are very hard to see. So what you do is you go to the format and you go to dimension style, but before you do it, hit set current. That'll make sure that everything you do is proactive here. So go to text. We're going to make this larger, and you can play around with this to 4. I think that's all I need to do on this, but you'll notice it automatically makes the change on all the dimensions rather than having to go to properties. However, on the lines, we will go to the properties. We'll select all the lines. I don't need to hold the shift key down. Go ahead and just select all the part lines that are on this drawing. And you don't want to get any dimensions. And then what we'll do is we'll either right click or go up to the modify and hit properties. And then what we want to do is change the line weight, and we're going at 0.5. And this really depends on the way you're printing it, and I know we're going to be doing a PDF, for example, on this one, and I know this works. All right, so then hit escape, verify that everything, the part lines are all where you need to. And again, there's a horizontal bars on the bottom. I've already made sure that's on there. It's on the bottom third of that below us. And then let's go ahead and put our name on here and the chapter 1 and what this is. So I'll go ahead and type in, this is the rocker arm design, chapter 1. So I'll go ahead and type that in, and if the scale is too small, we can change that just like we changed the line weight. So I'll go ahead and type in the rocker design. Make sure I have it chapter 1. It gets a little confusing when you've got a lot of CAD files, so make sure you put that in there when we're done. Go ahead and type in your name. And select out of it with your mouse. And then you can move this. This is too small, so I'm going to go to properties, and I'll go to the text height, and let's go ahead and try 4, see how that works. Might be a little small here. Just don't want it to dominate too much. We are going to be teaching you how to use a template, but for now that looks good. And so center everything, print it, save it, and upload it for your grade. And you've completed the rocker arm design for AutoCAD.